Most beginners lose money not because trading is bad, but because they choose the wrong approach on day one. In this video, I'll clearly explain the difference between trading and investing in simple English. By the end, you'll know which one suits your mindset, time, and risk level, even if you're a complete beginner. Many beginners mix trading and investing without realizing it. They trade like investors and invest like traders. This confusion is one of the biggest reasons beginners lose money. Let's start with investing. Investing means putting money into strong companies for the long term, usually years. Key points. Investors focus on business growth. They don't involve themselves in frequent buying and selling. They take less stress. And compounding works over time for them. In simple words, when you invest, you think like a business owner, not a daily trader. Now, what is trading? Trading is completely different. Trading focuses on short-term price movements. Traders work with short-term mindset. Traders require high screen time. They use price charts, indicators, and best trading timings. Traders usually have higher emotional pressure as compared to investors. Remember, trading is not bad, but it demands discipline, skill, and risk control. In a nutshell, here's the simple difference. Investing is about time, and trading is about timing. So the difference is in time horizon, risk level, emotional pressure, and learning curve. Common mistakes that beginners make are they invest without patience, they trade without rules, and they expect quick results from both. Hence, this is not a money problem, it's a strategy problem. Now the question is, which one should a beginner choose? If you're a beginner, start by learning investing first. Once you understand markets and risk, you can slowly explore trading. So remember, investing builds wealth over time. Trading creates opportunities, but only with discipline. Both work when used correctly. In the next video, I'll explain how people actually make money in the stock market, step by step. If you want to learn trading and investing the right way, subscribe to the channel. New videos are uploaded regularly. If you haven't watched my first 2 videos, watch them first. The links are in the description.